Motherfuckers, it's your boy Dumarembacher here again, and today we're going to be finishing up all the prep on that motor. We got a few things done off camera. We got an intercooler in the Camaro, as you see. Nice. Wrapped up the exhaust on there, so on the hot side of the turbo kit, as we're gonna call it. So today we're gonna get that thing all done up in the motor prep and ready to go back on the cradle. Preferably get it on the cradle, but we're working on a limited schedule right now. So we're gonna see how much we can get done and how fast we can do it. Because I'm about to go buy a mini bike. More on that later. But yeah, let's fucking get it. Alright, so first, I got this nice DeWalt 20-volt impact, so I'm using it for everything I can because I just paid money for it. So we're gonna pull this trans off now. It should only take a second. This thing's good. What bolts? And this is a 19. Gotta cut that down. Let's hit the starter. Stop. Alrighty. You think it's gonna be stuck on the house?
Possibly. Oh.
I want to keep the ass end up because I forgot to drain the trans fluid out. Shit. Thanks for that. It's not leaking yet, so that's okay. That was easy enough. All right.
Tiny little T5.
Let's get it, that little bitch ass trans. Now I'm about to get these mounts off of here. It's just 2 bolts. God, I love this thing so much. Now, I think you got a 15 impact socket. Now, a little trick for those of you who don't know how you come down to the bolt on the Mount Alex. If you have threads and you need to back a bolt out, instead of sitting there trying to... One second. Instead of sitting there trying to tap it out, you can just rotate it. Comes out way easier than sitting there trying to tap it with when you got
Hammer and a screwdriver, then the screwdriver gets stuck.
Yeah, fuck off. Like, see, this one's kind of tight. They're still coming out.
The fuck is that?
Huh?
The fuck is that?
What?
The yellow shit.
I don't know. There's that shit all over this fucking car. Sometimes power steering lines get in your fucking way. When that happens, let's do this. Boom! Helpful trick. And now I'm about to disrespect this motor. Time to He-Man it. That could have been fucking bad. Is there a better way for me to grab this thing? One, two.
Luckily, you're probably gonna do this one on the computer so you can cut out embarrassing yourself.
Embarrassing myself? I don't know what that means. hitting everything up that I don't want to be messing with.
We drained the oil out of this, didn't we?
Nope.
Didn't? Fuck. Are you about to flip it upside down?
Yeah, I was thinking about that.
Fuck you.
Most of the shit drained out anyway on its own. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Where is the drain? What? How did that happen?
I don't know. It's still connected. Pulling on it. Probably got stuck on something.
I mean, we got plenty of nitrous lines. That's just dashboard. That blows. This happened. Whatever.
Let's watch this make a mess.
Should we drag it outside first?
It's kind of warm in here though.
Yeah.
Just gonna have to buy some kitty litter.
Yeah, we just bought some fucking kitty litter or whatever.
We gotta go out in a few anyway. That mini bike.
Alright, now that I got this motor off of here, I'm going to pull all the other like little small irritating shit off of the motor and get it out the way. And then what is that? Oh. And then I'll be back with you guys when it's time to pull the pan off. So just gotta get these weird motor mounts off. You're like fucking bat wings. Whatever. I think I got these bolts on that motor still too. God, I love this thing. Where'd that cup go? These are 13. Is that oil?
Yeah.
Under the car. So that way we're not walking all over it this whole fucking time.
Yeah.
Start with 15. 15 enough. Alright, so got the old oil pan off. It was it made some noise when we picked it up. I assumed that noise was going to be piston, but instead, no. It was fucking ice. There's ice in the oil pan. I don't know why or how, because it was good green coolant all through this motor. Like, unless it's separated in the oil pan, I don't fucking know.
They made a big mess too.
Oh yeah, there's a massive, huge mess.
Huge.
Let's try to get this gasket up off of here. I really want to see how bad
What's happening underneath it?
I only put RTB in the corner. It shouldn't be much over.
Oh yeah, we did record the taking of the oil pan off, but I later realized I had music playing.
We're not trying to get demonetized, so yeah, we're blaming Alex. What is this?
Is it more ice?
That was a leaf. That was a leaf.
Well, you never changed the oil in it, did you?
No, I just never got an oil change.
You just put it in after throwing the fucking engine in and...
There's more ice? Yeah. ride.
Oh, it's also ice in the pickup too.
Yeah, that's which I think I need. I think the pickup.
Oh, you took that one off, so I guess.
I know how to tell. They're the same. This one's just much better. It looked like they might be in the same fucking spot though.
It's different.
Yeah, this one sits further back. So yeah, I might have to clean that up real good. Where is my impact? I can't see a bent ride off rip. Maybe this one. Only two I can't see are these two, so. Yeah, okay, Kate. That's gonna happen. That's gonna fucking happen.
They just watched you fail and He-Manning it off too. Make it look like a little weak bitch.
So I can't bend the engine that the starter couldn't spin?
Yep. Weak ass bitch. Fake ass He-Man ass.
Get the fuck out. I wonder if it was just ice in there this whole time.
Yeah, right. Ice in there in summer when they were trying to fucking push it with this fucking car when I was still an LT1.
Bro, all these rods look fine. I am spinning it backwards. What the fuck was up with this thing? It might be okay. It might have been something else. I mean, it was losing oil pressure. That's what made me think.
Right. How?
That was a full rotation, bro.
I know. That's fucking weird, man. Which...
Like, now I kind of want to pull these fucking... Oh, we can't pull the rods out without pulling the heads off.
I mean, this might be a spare engine. Just
No, it definitely was knocking.
Oh, yeah.
So...
I guess you could probably just rebuild it if it's...
It's a 3800. I'm about to rebuild this bitch. I'm going to the junkyard again. Well, none of the 3800s came from the junkyard, did they?
Nope.
This came from people. But, yeah, so I'm confused.
Me too.
I was not expecting me. That was full rotations, right?
I'm pretty sure.
Alright, hold on. Alright guys. So I just spun this motor over a couple times and it spun all the way around. Before I couldn't get it to spin. So we're going to come back to you. I'm going to have Alex using my holding the camera, not the camera, I'm sorry, holding the flashlight a lot closer so I can really get down in here and see what the fuck is going on, because I am super confused right now. And I really want to know why this motor stopped spinning, because usually when a motor starts knocking, I beat the shit out of it until it throws a rod through the block. And I was robbed of that, so I want to figure out what was going on. So we'll update you guys in a second. Be right back. Alright, so I've spun this thing over a bunch of times. I can't see a bent rod. Makes me think that one of the skirts might have, one of the ringlands may have cracked and is causing the piston to hang up in the cylinder. Because after spinning it backwards a few times, now the motor isn't getting tight anywhere. I can spin it full through. So I think I have multiple issues with this motor. Because I know I spun a bearing, but the spun, I don't know. I'm 90% sure I spun the bearing, just because it was knocking its ass off and I lost oil pressure. But I mean, that could have been the something in the head. I don't know. We're gonna have to tear this thing down. We might get to that tonight, but still priority lies on that. So we're gonna get the oil pan on this real quick, and then after that, we're gonna get some kitty litter, clean this shit up, drag this somewhere, take it apart, bust it down, and see what it busts down, and see what it does, and go from there. So we'll keep you guys updated as we figure out what the fuck happened. And yeah, I'm confused. So we'll see how this goes. Catch you guys in a second. We're about to get this oil pan on. All right, so got the pickup tube here, and I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it, but it's full with metal. This is the old pickup tube for the Camaro. I have to use a Camaro one. Excuse me, I have to use a Camaro one because the oil pan is specific to this car, and so is the pickup. It's like set offset back about 2-3 inches or so. And if you see here, this is all the metal I've already pulled out. And then that's all the metal that's still in it. I'm not confident that I can clean all this out. Like a little bit of metal won't hurt, but that's a lot. That's just what I can see. Like this thing's caked with little bits of what I'm assuming is bearing and possibly piston ring. So yeah, I found a melting part number for it. So it's not like this is a hard to obtain item. I don't have to go to the junkyard or do nothing crazy. I'm just gonna go to the local parts store, Mazda's Auto tomorrow. And if anybody have it ready to go, it's them. If they don't have it in store, they'll be able to get it the same day. So that's gonna hold us up on getting this oil pan on, but I'd rather wait another day and do it right than risk that fucking this motor up, because this motor's already gonna be dealing with all my bullshit. So I wanna give it nothing unnecessary to handle. So we might tear this down later on tonight when we get back. I'm about to go get this mini bike in a moment here. So you're gonna have to bear with us there. So yeah, that's where we're at with that. Just want to give you guys an update. So stay tuned. We're gonna get this all figured out here shortly. And thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Let that bitch eat.